Good morning. Good morning.
Children, switch off your mics.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, please switch off your mics. You have already said good morning in the group. Let us not waste time. You have already sent me your attendance and your good morning in the
Good
group.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Turn to page 11 of your book, children. Page 11 of your grammar book. Whose mic is switched on? Please switch it off. Please switch off your mic.
Ma'am, page number.
What did I say just now, Ekad?
Ma'am, page number.
I said page number 11 of your grammar book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, look at the pictures and let us read what is written below the pictures. Please put your finger. Kartik Agarwal, whoever is Kartik Agarwal, please switch on your camera. All the cameras to be switched on, please. Yeah, the first picture, one pencil. Then in the next picture there are two pencils, and then in the last picture there are 7 pencils. We are going to do one and many. We will do one जैसा कि नाम बताता है, one means एक, and more than one will be many. More than one will be many. Right? So we did this in literature also. अभी हमने literature में जब हम exercises कर रहे थे of the lesson, so Kanya takes a laddu. So we had done this. We had added s to make many. Let's see. One book, 3 books, and 7 books. Whenever it is more than one, we add s or es. Es वाला हम लोग बाद में करेंगे. Right now we are doing s. 1 apple, 2 apples, 7 apples. Then 1 cat, 3 cats, and 4 cats. Normally, many दिखाने के लिए, to show that there are more than one or there is more than one, we add s to the word or to the noun, that the naming word that we are talking about. Now let us turn the page, children. Next page. Okay. Please take out your pencil, children. Please take out your pencil, children. Ready? Write classwork. Write today's date. CLAWS, class, with a capital C. WORK, work, with a capital W. And then on the left hand side, 31 5 21. 31 5 21. Okay. The first word, chair, is chair, and the many of chairs has been already given there, CHAIRS. Okay. Ekagra, switch on your mic, please. Read the second word. Read the second word.
man,
Okay, and many of boy will be boys. Spelling.
BOYS.
Please write, all of you write in the blank in front of boy. Akshay Gupta, I want to see you writing. I don't want to see you sitting with the book in front of you. Veronica, switch on your mic, please. Number 3, word number 3. Read the word first, okay? Beta, I can't hear you. Yes. Veronica, word number 3.
Belt.
Okay. And many of belt will be
Belt.
spelling.
BELTS.
Very good. Write in the blank now. Akshay, written number 3. Shayan, word number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the word? Number 4, Pin.
Septic.
Number 4. Read.
Partisan.
Shirt. And many of shirt will be
SHIRTS.
shirts. Very good. Write in the blank. Children, all of you write in the blank, please.
Yes.
Ayansh, word number 5.
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Plan.
Very good. And many?
Plans.
Spelling.
FANS.
Very good. Write in the blank. The class also write in the blank, please. Saida, word number 6.
6 number.
Lion.
फिर से बोलो बेटा.
जोर से.
Lion.
Yes, the word is lion, right? And many of lion will be
Lions.
spelling.
Lions.
Spelling बेटा. आप नहीं बोलिए. Let her listen to my voice, please. Spelling of lions, Saida. Yes.
LIONS.
Very good. Write in the blank, child. The rest of you also write in the blank. Devansh, switch on your camera and mic both, please. Okay, Devansh. The next word after lion is read. Devansh, your camera is switched off, child, and your mic is also switched off. Devansh, are you able to hear me? Okay, Naima. Oh, sorry, Nabiha. This is Nabiha or Naima?
Yes, ma'am.
Nabiha.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Nabiha, wait. Wait, child. Okay, wait. Nabiha, the next word. Word number 7. Please let her listen to me and let her answer me only. Better word number 7.
Ma'am, I have done.
Nabiha, word number 7 better. Spelling bolo. Spelling, read the spelling, Nabiha.
ELEPHANT. Elephant.
And many of elephant will be, Nabiha.
S.
Tell me the full spelling, beta.
ELEPHANTS.
PHANTS. Okay, beta? Right. Okay, right. Good. Please write in the blank, all of you. Quickly write. Sukhnur, the next word.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the next word, beta.
Windows.
No, read the word first and then give me the answer. What is word number 8?
Windows.
And the many of this word will be?
WINDOWS. Windows.
Very good. Quickly write, children. Hashvi, the next word, child.
APPLES. Apple.
Apple. Say apple. Apple bolo.
Apple.
Okay, and many of apple will be? And many of apple will be? Spelling bolo. Beta मेरी तरफ देखो. Yes.
APPLES.
S. Apples. 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 Laiba.
Yes, ma'am.
The last word, Laiba.
Cap.
And many of cap will be?
Cap.
आप लाइबा को प्लीज़ बोलने दीजिए. वो मेरी ही कहने पे बोल देगी. आपको उसमें बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि बोलो. प्लीज़ लेट हर गेट यूज टू माई वॉइस. ओके, लाइबा अगेन. Many of cap will be?
CAPS.
Very good. Write in the blank.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Nishkar.
I have done.
Did I ask you whether you have done or not, Nishkar?
Ma'am, I have done.
Did I ask that, Varunika? You don't have to switch on your mic to tell me that you have done. Please keep your mic switched off so that others don't get disturbed. Okay, let's move on to the next exercise. Now, in this exercise, you have to circle the picture जिसमें many है. There are some pictures that have only one, and there are pictures that have many. Achint, the first one. Achint, first picture में क्या है? What is there in the first picture?
Star.
And one or many?
Pencil.
I'm talking about the first one only, Achint. Only the first one. One star or many stars?
Even.
One star. Please don't disturb Achint, please. Yes, Achint, one star or many stars?
Many.
So, are we going to circle it or not?
Yes.
Very good, Achint. We have to circle it. So, all of you, please circle the picture which has stars in it.
ये देखो तुम.
पूरी पिक्चर को सर्कल करना है. Circle the full picture, the complete picture. Right? Okay, Advait.
मैम एक बार फिर से समझा दीजिए.
One and many. जो नीचे वाली exercise है, the exercise that is the next exercise on this page. इसमें जिस पिक्चर में many है, more than one है, उसको पूरी पिक्चर को सर्कल करना है. एंड जिसमें one है उसको सर्कल नहीं करना है. ओके, आगे समझ में बेटा?
Yes.
Your name is Naima, ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us go on to the next one, Naima.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait, Naima, now next picture. देखो क्या है next picture में? See what?
Pencil.
How many pencils?
Pencils.
Two. तो ये more than one है? Yes or no?
Many.
Don't
Yes.
answer for her. Don't answer for her. ये more than one है नाइमा? एक से ज़्यादा है?
Yes, ma'am. एक से ज़्यादा.
एक से ज़्यादा है. So हमको more than one को सर्कल करना है. तो हम इसको सर्कल करेंगे?
Yes.
Good girl. सर्कल करो उसको. Circle it. Children, circle it.
Yes. Okay.
Myra Tandon. The next one child. Tell me picture में क्या बना हुआ है?
Hen.
Okay. One hen or many hens?
No, see? No.
Yes. But how many? Only one hen, na? So we will not circle it. Very good. Why were you confused? Chalo. Good. This is Viraj. Priyanka Gupta is Viraj. ID of Priyanka Gupta. You are Viraj, beta? Open your mouth, beta, and switch on your mic.
यस मैम बोलो. हाँ बोलो.
नहीं आप नहीं बोलिए, उसको मेरी आवाज़ पे यस बोलने दीजिए प्लीज. ओके विराज, सी द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर देखो विराज, आप नहीं बोलिएगा प्लीज. इट इज वन. क्या है विराज? व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ वन में क्या है? पिक्चर बताओ क्या है बेटा. वेरी गुड. इसको सर्कल करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे? गुड बॉय. वी विल नॉट सर्कल दिस बिकॉज दिस इज ओनली वन. राइट. अक्षय गुप्ता. यस अक्षय गुप्ता. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर क्या बना हुआ है उसमें? व्हाट इज मेड ओवर देयर? अक्षय, स्विच ऑन योर माइक चाइल्ड. बेटा आपका माइक स्विच ऑन नहीं हुआ है. प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर माइक अक्षय. यस. व्हाट इज ड्रॉन ओवर देयर? अक्षय, इस पिक्चर में क्या बना है बेटा?
Start.
अक्षय तुम कहाँ पर हो? Where are you? Akshay, what picture are you on, child? What picture are you on, child? Very bad, you're not paying attention. You're just looking into the camera, Akshay. Pay attention. You'll come to know what picture we are on. Hanifa. Hanifa, beta.
Yes.
Where are you, child? Yes. Okay. What is the next picture? Akshay, switch off your mic. Hanifa, what is the next picture, beta?
Tomato.
Wait, beta, I can't hear you because Akshay's mic is switched on.
Tomato.
Tomato. One or many?
One.
So circle करना है?
No.
Very good. We don't have to circle it. Very good. Okay. Mahira Fatima. Mahira,
Yes, ma'am.
what is this?
Yes, ma'am.
These are next picture. What is it? Mahira, which picture are we on, beta? Can't hear you. Switch on your mic, child. Switch on your mic. What
Sure.
picture are we on?
काऊ बोलो
No.
काऊ
आप पढ़ा रही हैं कि मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ मायरा को, और मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ कि मायरा को पढ़ा रही हूँ? बोथ वेज. प्लीज लेट हर आंसर. Myra, what?
Ma'am, Myra's mother is. Ma'am, I am not telling her. Someone else is telling her child.
Someone
I'm
else
not-
is telling her child. Just hold on for a minute, please. Let me see whose mic is switched on. Who's answering for Myra Fatima? Please tell me. I mean, children, you have to keep your mic switched on. Only the child I ask will keep her mic, his or her mic switched on. Yes, Myra, beta. Next picture.
Four.
What is the next picture, beta?
No.
No. I'm talking about the next picture. After what Hanifa answered, let's go on to the next picture. What did Hanifa answer? You remember what Hanifa answered? You don't.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know because you were not paying attention, child. Let me see who was paying attention. Okay, Akshat Kumar. Akshat. Which is the next picture, child?
क्योंकि तुम मतलब
Cow.
बेटा हम लोग काव से पहले भी तो कुछ करेंगे ना. टोमेटो के बाद कुछ करना है हम लोग को. So see what the next picture is.
Dogs.
Yes, socks. One or many?
Many.
Circle it or not circle it?
Circle it.
Very good. Circle it. Who has joined with the ID of Amreen Rizvi? Who has joined with the ID of Amreen Rizvi?
Ma'am, Abdullah Hassan.
Abdullah Hassan. Okay, Abdullah. The next picture. What is the next picture?
Pencil.
Abdullah, were you sleeping, child? This is what happens when you join late.
Dogs.
No, you are not paying attention, and please, for God's sake, don't answer for him. Let him answer on his own. Abdullah, the picture after socks, what is it? Check the picture. What is the picture after socks?
Ma'am,
Yes, Abdullah, the picture after socks.
after all,
Let it be, Abdullah. You are not in my class, someone else is in my class, so there is no point in asking. Ishanvi Trivedi, the next picture.
cow,
What?
cow,
Very good. So, do we circle it or we don't circle it?
don't circle it.
Very good, girl. That's the correct answer. We don't circle it. So, and Adya Verma, the next picture. Adya Verma, the next picture. अदय वर्मा, तुम्हारी आवाज कट रही है. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में क्या है?
Cows,
Yes. So we will circle it or not?
circle it.
Very good. Very good. Circle it, child. Yasir.
Ma'am,
Yasir. Wait, please let me ask him, then only I'll answer. Yes, Yasir, the next picture.
ड्राइंग करके दिखाया कि दिखाया हमने यहाँ से पूछ लिया बेवकूफ है
Please don't shout. Please don't shout at him on camera. It's being recorded. So everything you say will be recorded. Everything I say. Where is your book? Yasir, show me your book, please. Show me your book. Show it on camera. The page. Show it on camera like this. Okay. And show me what picture are we on, Yasir? Don't look at any. Where is the picture? Show me the picture, Yasir. अपनी बुक में मुझे पिक्चर दिखाओ की कहाँ पर है. Yes, where is the key? Where is the key, Yasir? Okay. Do we circle it or we don't circle it?
circle it.
We circle the key?
Yes,
Why?
क्योंकि
Two keys दिखाई दे रही हैं तुम्हें वहाँ पे बेटा. Check again. कितनी है? Two क्या है? Can you see two keys over there? Yasir, look again into the book. How many keys are there in the book? There is only one key over there, Yasir. Please look again. There is only one key. Look properly. So do we circle this key or not, Yasir? Yasir, do we circle the key? Yasir, do we circle the key?
yes,
Yasir, that means you are not paying attention at all. You are not paying attention at all. Arsalan, should we circle the key?
no,
No. Why, beta? Because it is very good, Arsalan. Because it is one, so we will not circle this. Children, this class is over. We will meet again after 10 minutes.
मैंने पहले सॉक्स ही बोला था फिर किसी ने काऊ बोल दिया तो मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई मैंने भी काऊ कह दिया.
कंफ्यूज क्यों हो गए? आपको अपना ब्रेन यूज करना चाहिए ना. You don't have to get confused at all. Use your brain, and if you know you are right, दूसरे की बात सुन के आपको होना ही नहीं चाहिए ऐसा. Okay, we'll meet again after 15 minutes. Bye bye.